Well, this could unfortunately be the official end of Uber. I know it's not good for drivers, it's not good for riders, but hey, drivers are fed up with the low pay. So many drivers are on the verge of going homeless because it's so expensive to maintain your car. And there's a lot of other reasons what we're gonna dive into today. So please thumbs up the video to help spread it to more people so more people can be aware of what's really taking place. And let's dive in. I did want to firstly thank our sponsor, Solo. So Solo is the business app for drivers, and they just extended their new driver promotion. So all of our audience watching this, if you're watching this and you're a gig worker, if you have an active gig account, they're sending you $10 just for signing up for free, and you get access to some really cool features, including expense tracking. They also have a pay guarantee feature, 37 bucks for Uber, 37 Instacart, 38 DoorDash. You see right here, they have a leaderboard when you can see who's earning the most in your city, and they're available in a lot of areas. They have a free version nationwide where you can sign up and get that $10. The Rideshare Guy is an investor. So look at this, Uber and Lyft drivers have been protesting. This is as of this week. New York, rideshare drivers were rallying outside MTA headquarters on Wednesday, slamming the congestion pricing proposal. As CBS 2's Natalie Duddridge reported, they were calling for app-based drivers to be exempt from the tolls. The organizers of the rally said 23,000 rideshare drivers have already submitted complaints to the MTA, protesting what they call a double tax. The group Justice for App Workers says the congestion pricing plan is beyond crushing to their careers. Aldagiza Payero Diarra was one of the dozens of drivers protesting. She drove yellow cabs for more than 10 years and switched to rideshare a couple of years ago. It's gonna kill the business. We're already in a struggling time. I think right now, something like this just really exposes, how, I guess, low the margins are for doing rideshare. You have your revenue coming in, and then you have all these expenses. And if you have another $5, $10 toll, all of a sudden you're like, I'm making $0 now. Because at the end of the day, after you're paying for gas, wear and tear in your car depreciation, these things add up. The congestion pricing plan aims to charge, which is why when you sign up for Solo and you get guaranteed pay, at least you're guaranteed they're gonna make a set dollar amount, link below. The congestion pricing plans aims to charge drivers an electronic toll as high as $23 when they enter the zone. Holy smite. Do any of you guys drive here in New York? Oh my gosh, that's crazy, guys. Lyft stock price is up though. Crazy, maybe it's just Uber, I don't know. They said the newest tax was added onto the already crushing effects of the pandemic and current economy will be devastating to their jobs and families. Rising of the inflation, the rising of gas prices, this is so overwhelming. Uber and Lyft driver Henry Chen said, the driver's not making any money, is not putting food on the tables. It is really ridiculous. I think that, this driver, Henry Chen, is a very common driver where a lot of people are like, I'm driving 10 hours a day and I can barely afford to feed my family. So I just don't see with the rising cost of inflation, Uber's not raising rates for drivers, and gas prices and everything else, cost of living going up. I just don't see Uber being a long-term game plan, at least for driving. Maybe if they have self-driving cars, then they don't need drivers, but that's just my thoughts on it. Let me know your thoughts. And again, sign up for Solo with the link below. They're gonna send you $10 right now when you use our link and link your gig account totally for free anywhere in the country. You can literally sign up. They have a free version nationwide and you get access to some really cool features. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye now.